Cyber New. Today we're going over an unboxing of a CyberPowerPC. It was special ordered January the 6th. It arrived a few days ago, and I was waiting to do one of those cliche unboxing reveals. So here I am. Some notes. This is a Pro Designer 200, and we will go over the components and give you guys an inside look of what's in this thing. So as you can see, came in one of these relatively well packaged structural crates. It's got the Thermalake tower case, which is a Thermalake 71 TG RGB. So let's go ahead and open this thing. So this is the right way. I had it a little inverted there. Didn't make much sense with the way the glass door was opening, but this is how it's supposed to open. Again, tempered glass. I guess you could call them suicide doors. Open up on both sides, out to the left. Alright guys, we're gonna zoom in here, take a look on the inside. I'm not going to go over the components because towards the end of the video I'm going to discuss what was customized and the pricing and such, but just giving you a look-see here. Alright, here's the inside of the case with the power on and the RGB lights going off. If you guys aren't familiar with RGB LED products, there's about 3 colors here, and it's supposed to combine to produce some 16 million hues of light. So the colors seemingly change non-stop, with different possibilities. Yeah, it's kind of cool. I've never been a huge fan of LED lights in general, but this is cool. There you go, there's the case fan inside there. Even the RAM is lighting up. All right, that's it. All right, guys, here we have some accessories that came with the order. I think it was, a special price because I spent a certain amount of money. So I got 2 keyboards for $5 each. Scorpion K2 RGB gaming keyboard. It's mechanical. Go ahead and open this up. All right, so it looks pretty standard. Obviously, when we plug that in, it'll have some fancy lights. All right, and here we have the default CyberPowerPC gaming keyboard. Looks a little cheap in my opinion. Not a big fan of that red there. And then here's the Asus TUF X299 motherboard box. There, you guys can look at it if you want. That's what's currently in there. It's not a bad motherboard. Alright, so for whatever reason, I got 2 gaming mice. So I think these were free. We'll go ahead and open one of these and see what it looks like. Alright. Alright, doesn't look too bad, but this is the default CyberPowerPC mouse. Alright, that's it for accessories, if you will. So one thing I didn't like with this purchase, and they did offer it, cable management. So I think they charged $10 for their description of pro cable management. I mean, this doesn't look horrible, but could do better. And here's the Thermalake RGB control. Change the timing and colors and default there. Alright, so here's the front of the case. I don't think we've shown this yet. It's tempered glass. It's got the CyberPowerPC logo there. Again, it's a Thermalake case. And let's take a look at the USB slots up here. So we got 2.0, a couple 3.0, headphone, power indicator. Here's the back. I think we've got 4 USB 3.0, and then 2 giant NIC antennas, 2.5 and 5 gigahertz for the bands. That is what the back looks like. Yeah. It's pretty heavy populated with USB. So it's also got, yeah, these antennas pretty long, and then a couple 3 HDMI and a display port on this GPU. Alright guys, previously in the beginning of the video I did not explain any of the components because I wanted to wait till now to discuss the build a little bit, the pricing, and some of the things that I quote customized. So again, here's the Pro Designer 200 build. These are the default specs here. I'll briefly go over what I kept from this and what I changed out. So first thing, I changed the gaming case. I got the Thermaltake V71 View tempered glass with RGB. I did keep the i7 9000X 8-core 3.8 gigahertz Intel CPU. I paid for overclocking. I think I saw that somewhere. 10% overclocking, like $19.
Yeah, I kept all this. Oh, I do have the Asus TUF X299 motherboard. I do have 32 gigs of RAM. However, I swapped this out for um, the G-Skill Trident Z series DDR4. I believe it's also 3000 megahertz channeling. And then I do have the GeForce RTX 2080. And then I have this primary hard drive. I got the 512 gigabyte Intel M2 NVMe SSD. And then they gave me two 3 terabyte mechanical hard drives as part of the promo of what I purchased or the amount of money I spent or whatever. Yeah, that's really about it. That's worth mentioning. If you guys are interested in the price of that, obviously the base price for what you saw there is $24.55. The few things that I changed out, it ran me up with tax and shipping to $2,881. If you guys have any questions and are interested in purchasing from CyberPowerPC, please leave us a comment or shoot us a message. I'd be happy to share with you my experience. I had no problems with ordering, shipping. Everything worked right out the box. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video or enjoy any of our other content and are not currently subscribed, please do so. We're really looking to grow our channel. The team and I spend a lot of time outside of our full-time jobs creating content. And while we obviously love to do it, we are trying to grow our base and hopefully, evolve into the future. So, once again, thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you guys next time.